Assalamu alaikum, Dubai.
Good evening, Dubai.
We're here to announce the Star TV debutante female.
As a part of our business in the media, Star has long stood for supporting and promoting new talent on television, and it gives us enormous pride to be associated with the award for debutante in the cinema business as well. So, Shilpa,
Let's see their work.
रात हमारी तो चांद की सही है, कितने दिनों के बाद आई वो अकेली है। मुझे एकदम भूल गए, मुझे देखना नहीं चाहते, मुझसे मिलना नहीं चाहते और मुझे छूना।
Thank you so much. Good evening, Dubai. Thank you very much, Idea IFA and Star and all those who voted for me. Thank you very, very much. Mr. Vinod Chopra, Dada, the entire team of Parinita and my family, all of you who are here. And to all those in the industry who have always watched and been inspired by, and I'm talking too much. But thank you very, very much.
और अब स्टार डेब्यू ऑफ द ईयर मेल।
मन देखने चला एक सपना, बावरे से इस जहां में बावरा एक साथ हो, इस सयानी भीड़ में बस हाथों में तेरा हाथ हो।
Well, because every story has its Siddharth, right? Come on, I'll drop you. The knight in shining armor will escort you to the lion's den.
Star debut male of the year goes to Shiny Ahuja.
I'd like to thank God, I'd like to thank my parents, my family, everybody who stood by me. I owe all this to my director, Mr. Sudhir Mishra, and I'd also like to thank Mr. Pritish Nandi, my producer. Thank you.
Congratulations Shiny, thank you Shilpa, thank you Mr. Joshi. इस साल आईफा की एडवाइजरी बोर्ड ने एक नया स्पेशल अवार्ड एस्टैब्लिश किया है। उनकी सोच ये थी कि जब हमारा सिनेमा इतनी प्रगति कर रहा है, then the people who bring about this progress with new ideas, new attitudes, new techniques should be honored. Recently, a little character in an animated film stirred up a storm at the box office. इस फिल्म ने ये कर दिखाया कि इंडियन एनिमेशन इंडस्ट्री एक नए और ऊंचे लेवल पर पहुंच। According to NASSCOM, इंडिया की एनिमेशन इंडस्ट्री has touched $250 million और 2009 तक $900 million तक पहुंचने की उम्मीद है। One of the biggest hits this year, this trendsetter film has proved that the Indian animation industry is at par with the best in the world. Ladies and gentlemen, the Idea IFA Award for Innovation in Indian Cinema goes to Hanuman. present the award, may I please invite on stage the very charming Kabir Bedi to do the honors.
Good evening, Dubai. Thank each one of you for coming here and making this such a special and wonderful IFA Awards evening. And thank each one of you who is watching the television show this evening. Would the creator of Hanuman please come on stage? His achievement is remarkable because his film has actually created a new category of awards within the IFA Awards evening. This is truly to be saluted.
It is great honor for me to be invited over here by the organizer of this mega event, and I take this opportunity to thank all my honorable renowned producers, artists, critics, art lovers from all over the world and the people of Dubai who have gathered here this evening in the large numbers.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time to meet the original action hero. अगर आप एक एक्टर होते और आपसे फिल्म डायरेक्टर कहते कि आपको एक शॉट में रोना है और दूसरे शॉट में चलती हुई मोटरसाइकिल से एक चलती हुई कार पर जंप करना है, तो आप क्या करते? Most actors would do the पहला रोना वाला शॉट themselves और कहते कि दूसरे वाले शॉट के लिए स्टंटमैन यूज कर लो. हाँ, कुछ ऐसे भी एक्टर्स होते हैं जिन्हें दोनों टाइप के शॉट्स के लिए स्टंटमैन यूज करना चाहिए. But let's not get into that now. But there is one man who does everything with aplomb, whether it's Rona, Hasna, ya Hasana, and the most impossible stunts. That's when he's not up to some hera-feri, phir se. He's as comfortable doing action as he's doing comedy and serious films. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the one and only Akshay Kumar.